In front of me is BLACKVIEW A60 Pro, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound on the following device. So first of all, you have to open your phone dialer, then find and select more icon right here, and go to the settings. Now click on voicemail, and here select notifications. And now select advanced, where you will notice sound. Smoothly click on sound. And now let me show you all of the options that you can apply. Just let me switch off D&D mode. One more time. And now let's listen to all of the ringtones that you can apply. I will just volume it up a bit. And then just pick the one that you like the most. So let me choose, for example, Polaris, tap on OK, and as you can see, voicemail notification sound has been changed. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.